Bu birovdan tashasidan himoya qilyapti bu.
Yeah, we need the roof system because in the Netherlands it's raining a lot. Therefore, we need the roof system. So next week they expect a lot of rain again, and if the cherries start to color, then they're really sensitive for breaking. So then they break open. So that's the reason why we need the roof system. And in the research station, we have two different roof systems. We have this roof system. This is the Föhn system from Germany.
Yeah.
And if we continue with it.
Roof system degani shu yomg'irdan himoya qilish nimasi ekan? Sistemasi.
Deyarli butun dunyoda gilosga juda kuchli e'tibor berilyapti. Ya'ni o'sha nima deydi, yomg'ir ko'p yog'adigan joylarda ustini polnisi yopilyapti. Chunki yomg'ir yoqqandan keyin по-любому yoriladi gilos.
Frost on the 27th of March.
Okay.
And then in here it was a little bit warmer compared to where it was not closed.
Yeah.
And there I think some flowers were frozen a little bit, and here not. So that was a difference. It was only short early frost, but still there is a difference. And also climate was a little bit better during flowering. Okay, that's the reason why production on this side is now a little bit higher.
203 ta mana Kordia navi 203 payvand tagida.
You told that in 23 or 27th of February there was a frozen.
Xato ekan u. Svit arena ekan bu. Shu yetib pishyapti-ku. 205 ta.
Sizda katta muammo bo'ladigan narsa, ya'ni deyarli Markaziy Osiyoda hammamizda bo'ladi. Va gilos gullagandan keyin bizda sovuq keladi. Sovuq urib ketadi ko'pchiligini. O'shanda nima qilasan dedi, bo'tda etdi mana yoqib holat dedi, yog'i ochiq holati dedi. Xo'p, agar sen 27-fevralda bo'tda sovuq urgan bo'lsa, qanaqa qilib yopgansan desam, birinchi navbatda dedi, tegini nam qildim. Sprinklerlar bor, tepasidan suv quyadi dedi. Tegi nam bo'ladi. Namli dedi, qaysidir ma'noda muzlatmaydi. 209 bo'ldi. -3 bo'lgandi otda. Lekin buni yopiqligiga bo'lganligiga nisbatan shuning uchun bu hozir tezroq hosilga kiryapti hamda yirik. Bu yog'i ochiq holatda bo'lgan, lekin o'tga ham suv sepganmiz, o'tda ham hosil bor, faqat kechroq chiqadi. Ya'ni yopiq holatda bilsanglar, agar demak, mana bu narsani qo'yilsa, meva birinchidan hosil olishga aniq uvering bo'lasiz. Ikkinchidan hosilingizni voqeroq olasiz. Ya'ni bozorga voqeroq kirasiz degani. Voqeroq bozorga kirasiz degani mahsulotingizning narxi nisbatan balandroq bo'ladi traditsion usuldan.
Chunki issiqni ko'proq saqlaydi, plus damlik balandku, yaxshi semiradi-da bu.
So this is a very good thing which is you told me that. But as you know, so you visited the water is a little bit problem in Uzbekistan.
1,5 metr menimcha.
Yesterday we saw one company which is
1,5 metrga ekkan mana.
Natural gas.
Endi bu bizga 5 ga yo'qshida, 6 ga bo'lmaydi. Hozir bizga 5 bo'lmaydi. Lekin shpaler qilish u bilasan-ku, qimmat. Nokin shpalersiz bo'lmaydi. Ha, bu katta, bu prosta tadqiqot uchun qilgan.